This is installation of cable tray. This upside basement. This is the downside basement. Upside 13.8 switch gear is there. So the switch gear power cable tray. This is for power cable tray. The switch gear in the top they will located at top here and there. This is the power cable opening points. Then it will come like this. The tray. Okay. This is the tray. The control cable tray, one channel to another channel, 300 mm. They will make 3 track. 1, 2, this basement 3. Same like 1, 2, 3. This earth bar also connected. So like this, right. This is the basement of control cable, switch gear 13.8 kV. Control cable and power cable tray.